I always remind myself, too, that, like, they have their own dynamics, and just because something works for us doesn't mean it worked for them, but at the same time, like...
Well, she was making some kind of point. If he just comes home and just plays games and not time with the kids, like what we're doing, maybe...
Right.
They're just video games.
Her only real issue, though, because I love her to death, but she's a little selfish, is her and her eater. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
There it goes.
And then, also the communication thing between her and him. Here he comes.
What the fuck are you doing? What's wrong with everybody?
He's on his phone. Yeah, because she's like, I always listen to him talking about cars, and it's always his stuff, and she's like, not that I don't mind listening some, but I don't need all the details. And she's like, it'd make a huge difference if he'd just listen a little to what I have to say, too, even if he's not really interested.
What is she into?
Just school and stuff. But, and I mean, I've kind of had to love you to death, but I've had to figure this out, too. Like, I love you to death, but there's just some needs that you can't meet. And one of them is conversation. And I don't even think you want to, right? It's too much talking, right? It's alright. So, like, hopefully eventually she'll realize that too and just settle with it and it'll be fine, you know? Come to me when she needs to talk. Oh my. Close.